Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a flying glider at home. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll want to gather some lightweight materials like foam board, balsa wood, or even thick cardstock. For tools, grab a ruler, some sharp scissors or a craft knife, and a reliable adhesive like hot glue. These basic supplies will form the foundation of your very own flying machine. Now, let's dive into the key design elements that make a glider fly. The wings are super important. They need an airfoil shape to create lift. Think of it like a bird's wing. Your fuselage, the main body, should be long enough for stability, typically around 5 to 8 times the width of your wing. And don't forget the tail, with its horizontal and vertical stabilizers for steering and balance. With your design ready, it's time for assembly. Start by carefully cutting out all your glider's components from your chosen material. Precision here is key. Next, securely attach the wings to the fuselage, making sure they are perfectly level and symmetrical. Finally, affix the tail assembly, ensuring both the horizontal and vertical stabilizers are straight and perpendicular. Take your time with each step for the best results. The moment of truth. It's time for your glider's first flight. Find a spacious indoor area or a calm outdoor spot and launch it gently. Observe its flight path. If it dives or stalls, adjust the center of gravity by adding or moving small weights, like a paperclip, slightly forward or backward. You can also gently bend the tail surfaces to fine-tune its direction and achieve a smooth, long glide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.